Hello. So are you getting the import error cannot import name settings from LlamaIndex unknown location? Let's fix it under 60 seconds and import settings to continue ahead. So this error occurs because LlamaIndex introduced changes in its latest versions. What used to be directly available in LlamaIndex has now moved to LlamaIndex.core. If you're using code from older tutorials, blogs, or examples, it might reference the outdated module paths, which is one of the reasons why these errors take place. Now to fix it, let's simply copy this again, and instead of importing from LlamaIndex, we shall import it now from LlamaIndex.core. Now after putting this, let's run it and see if we can import it. Yeah, we got that. So we have now imported settings, which is now located in LlamaIndex.core. So the import is successful and the error is gone. That's it. Error fixed in seconds. If you're facing similar issues, check out our channel for more quick fixes and solutions. Subscribe to stay ahead and control AI before it controls us. Thank you.